Thank you for buying this 15289 countertop clamp from fixturedisplays.com. These are all the parts. It actually come assembled. We took it apart so you understand different components that is required to make this work and how it will work to give you most amount of applications and range of applications that you desire to hold your panel or plate for your sneeze guards or what have you. Now this clamp comes in, it's fairly solid. It's about 2.4 inches by 1.7 inches. It's cast alloy. It's reasonably heavy. The entire unit weighs about 9 ounces. These parts just nest into each other, and then you have a range of 0.16 inches thickness up to 0.79 inches of material can go in between those clamps. These countertop clamp work against your countertop is the clearance is 1.85 inches from end to end, but you can only, because of that little washer in there, you can do 1.57 inches thick of countertop up to that thickness. So that's the 1.57 inches. If you remove the cup inside and just use the bare screw, you might be able to do a little, maybe 1.6, 1.65. And then there are 4 holes here to join or fasten to the clamp on top. There are 2 orientations. This is how you achieve turning the orientation based on where you need your shield or your panel. So use 2 screws to fasten. Once you figure out what the orientation works for you, it's pre-assembled. If the pre-assembled orientation works for you, you don't have to mess with any of those. If it doesn't, you can take it apart and then assemble as you need. So now we're going to close the clamps and make sure you have the silicone gasket in between to give you better grip. And there is a set screw. It's M6 socket. The socket is M5. You would need an Allen wrench with that specification. Most bike wrenches will work with those. The entire unit dimensions, we're going to give some dimensions, is 2 inches wide, 7 inches tall. So it's a fairly big unit and it's very sturdy. It's about 2 inches tall as well. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cscharliesam@fixturedisplays.com. We made this video so you know what you're buying, if and how that would work for your application. I really encourage you to look at this video before you're making your purchase to make sure that's the right purchase and it enhance your purchasing experience. So this is how you would work against your table. And remember, the maximum is 1.57 inches countertop. Now we found a piece of board we're going to put in between the upper clamps. Remember, the range is 0.16 to 0.8 inches, which is mighty big for most applications. Now you just need the Allen wrench to tighten it. If you like our video, please consider leave a good review, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any issues, email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays again, and good luck with your project.